Hello students, this is Pallav sir and today we'll continue from question number 5 of exercise 13.7 chapter 13 surface area and volume. So today my target is to explain question number 5, 6 and 7. So let's start with question number 5. So in question number 5, as you see on the screen, I have drawn one conical shape diagram. Why? Because in the question it is given a conical pit. So consider this as a conical pit. Okay, and the diameter is given 3.5 meter and the depth of the conical pit is given 12 meter. Fine. So consider this depth as the height of the cone. So now they have asked what is the capacity in kiloliters. Okay. So see, diameter is given, just a minute, yes, diameter is given 3.5 meter. So we'll definitely find out the radius first, that is d by 2, that is 3.5 meter by 2, and this will give you 1.75 meter. So radius is 1.75 meter. Height is given, students, height is given 12 meter. Now they have asked the capacity. So capacity means volume. Okay, so capacity of conical pit, this is equals to volume of cone. And what is volume of cone, students? 1 by 3 pi r square h, isn't it? Now we'll just put the values. 1 by 3, what is the value of pi given in the question? It is given 22 by 7. R is 1.75, so 1.75 into 1.75, and what is the value of height? It is 12. So once you reduce this whole value, you will get the answer as 38.5 meter cube, students. Okay, so this is the final answer. This is not the final answer because we have to give our answer in kiloliters. So now we have to convert this meter cube into kiloliters. So as we know that 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter, isn't it? So therefore this much meter cube, that is 38.5 meter cube, would be what? Definitely we have to multiply this with 1 only. 1 kiloliter. So that means 38.5 kiloliter. So this is the final answer, student, of question number 5. I hope all of you have understood. This was a very easy sum. Now let's move on to question number 6. Yes. Now what is question number 6? It is also very easy. It has 3 parts. Now the volume of the right circular cone is given. Okay, the volume of right circular cone is given. So we'll write this. So volume of cone is already given to you, that is 9856 centimeter cube. Okay, and the diameter of the base is given, that means again diameter is given as 28 centimeter. So when diameter is given, obviously we have to find out the radius, that means 28 by 2, and this would be 14 centimeter. Now as this question number 6 has 3 parts, so let us do the first part first. So now in first part we have to find out the value of height of the cone. Okay, now since the volume is given, so again we'll write it down. Since volume is given as 9856 centimeter cube. Now what is the volume of cone? So value of the volume of cone is given. So what we'll do is we'll compare the formula with the value, that is this way. Okay, now we have to find out height, you see. So 1 by 3 is already in the formula. Pi value, they have asked you to take 22 by 7. What is R? R is 14, so that means 14 into 14. Height we have to find out, so in place of height we'll write height only, 9856. Now to get the value of height we have to transpose all those values to us right hand side. So it will look like height is equals to 9856. This all denominator will come to the numerator this time, and all the numerator will go to the denominator, that is 22 into 14 into 14. Now you just have to reduce these values. and once you reduce it, you will get the value of h as 48 centimeter. Okay, please do the reducing part by yourself. Okay, this is very, very important, and you have to learn all these things. I've just given you give you the answer, so please check it that if you're getting 48 centimeter or not. Now let's move on to the second part of the question. Now according to the second part, just a minute, according to the second part, you have to find out the value of slant height. So what is the formula of slant height? L square equals to h square plus r square, isn't it? Now we need the value of h and r. So let's go back. So see, h is 48 and r is 14. So in place of h we will write 48 square, and in place of r we will write 14 square. Now what if I multiply 48 two times? I will get the answer as 2304, and if I multiply 14 into 14, I will get the answer as 96. So if you add this two, your sum would be 2500. So now this is L square, but you have to find out L, so you have to remove this square. That way there would be a square root sign on the right hand side. So 2500 square root is equals to 50 centimeter. I hope all of you have understood this. Very, very, very easy. Okay, now the third part, students. Now the third part is very, very easy. That is, you have to find out the CSA of a cone. So what is CSA of cone? CSA of cone is pi r l. Now pi you have to take as 22 by 7, r is 14, and l just now we have found out what it is. It is 50. Now just have to reduce it. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So the required answer would be 2200 centimeter square. Right? So that's it. This is question number 6. Now let's move on to the last sum of today's session, that is question number 7. As you see on the screen, so there is one triangle given. The dimension of all the right angle triangle is given, that is ABC. You can consider it as ABC. I have drawn like this. So this is the main triangle with black color, you see. Now what you have to do is that you have to revolve the triangle about the side 12 centimeter, and that is the reason you see I have taken 12 centimeter in height, 12 centimeter as the height. Now just assume it that this length is fixed, and this part you can move like this or like this also, no problem, but this part you cannot move, this is fixed. Okay, now once you move this like this at clockwise or anti-clockwise, so you will get the base as a circle, and it will look like a cone. Okay, I hope you have understood. We'll keep this length as fixed. Okay, and we'll move this part, that is this part, students, clockwise or anti-clockwise doesn't matter, but if you revolve this along this side, that is 12 centimeter, you will get the shape of a cone. Okay, now what they have asked, find the volume of the solid so obtained. Now once you revolve this, what is the volume of the solid you are getting? What is the solid you are getting? The solid is conical shape, isn't it? So we'll get the volume of cone then. It's very simple. So volume of cone would be equals to what? It would be 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 is already in the formula. Pi is what? 22 by 7, and r is already given 5. You see, 5 it is given already. 5 into 5, and h is 12. So if you solve this, you will get the value as 2200 by 7 centimeter cube. So this would be your final answer. Okay, so that's it for today's session, students. Thank you so much. God bless you and take care.